taking her picture?
Yeah, oh yeah, she thinks she's a model, this one. Anyway, girl, what I want you to probably do with him, this little tennis ball has got the string on it. I think it's going to be a good idea to bring the tennis ball along on the walk, just to help redirect him. You know, before when he could go out, you know, he was very worried about, you know, anybody coming around, and this just helps his focus. I actually think he has more drive for the ball than he does actually for the food. The only thing we're really lacking with him, girl, and then he'll be ready to go, is I've got to install that turn towards on him, and I'll do that next week, because I guess, I don't know, maybe I didn't realize he was such a puller with you before. But I think if you bring the ball, they've actually got down these little treat things. You can really even have the ball in your hand. It just helps focus him, not on everything that's going on around him. Anyway, his paw is fine. We're just going to do a little short episode with him today, but it just kind of split the paw, the one little pad open. So I've been putting stuff on it, but we're not going to let him get in the water, and I don't want it to get raw from walking on the concrete. But, you know, I think if you brought the ball on the walk, you can see how interested in it. He's more interested in the ball, actually, than the food. So, down. All he's really lacking is the turn towards, because he will have a tendency to try to drift ahead. So once we put the turn towards on him, then that's going to fix his little wagon. I'll keep an eye on it. It really didn't bleed after that. We called the vet right away, and they said, you know, there's really nothing that they can do, and, you know, they can't really keep the stitches, but it's not that deep anyway. Oh, yes. No water for you till your little foot heats. But you see, I've got his undivided attention. So he's not looking around like he was, looking at everybody and everything. So I'm just going to take him down around a few distractions, and then, I don't know, Crystal, keep an eye on his foot, see if he's limping a little bit. I'm walking away. Hershey.
Are you coming to your dog?
Yeah, she's training. No, you're okay.
So you can see, girl, with all those people going around, he's able to focus on the ball. Hershey. Down. What we don't want to do with this is just let him have all these tennis balls all the time, to play. That's the reward. So he's always, we don't want to get into tug of war or anything with them. Step on. Up through. Down. I think if you've got that, the one on the string like that, I'll look and see if I can find one that would be good. But, it's going to make going out down a lot less stressful for him. Bye, girl.